The 2002 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, clock, power door locks, power windows, center console, tachometer, single disc in-dash CD player, rear wiper. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.